Look at the question carefully. 10 into 5 is 50 and 2 into 25 is also 50. If you divide both of them, you are left with 1. That's exactly the mistake you should avoid. Because for any mathematical equation, we use a famous rule known as BODMAS, where you start solving for bracket first, then order, then division and multiplication, which is of same priority. If both have same priority, which one to solve first? For that, a simple rule is given that solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it first. So 10 into 5, 50. Again from left to right, 50 division 2, 25, and 25 multiplication 25. So finally your answer is 625.